Used a translation app? That's natural language processing, or NLP, in action. NLP is a branch of artificial intelligence that helps computers understand and generate human language. Humans use slang, jokes, and imperfect grammar. NLP bridges the gap so computers can make sense of it all. Computers only understand numbers, not the subtleties of language like sarcasm or context. NLP acts as a translator, turning our messy language into something computers can process. It's what makes talking to technology feel like a conversation, not just typing commands. Decades of research in computer science and linguistics have made NLP possible. Early NLP was rule-based, but language is complex. Now, NLP learns from huge amounts of text to understand nuance. Think of NLP as a bridge letting us communicate with computers using our words. It's transforming how we work, learn, and live, making technology more human. Every time you use a search engine, you're using NLP. Pretty cool, right? For computers to understand language, they first break sentences into smaller pieces, a process called text pre-processing. Tokenization splits sentences into words or tokens, like breaking a Lego castle into bricks. Next, stop word removal filters out common words like the or is, so the computer can focus on what matters. Stemming and lemmatization reduce words to their root form. Running, ran, and runs all become run. Parsing helps the computer figure out grammar. Who did what to whom? This is how it knows the difference between the dog chased the cat and the cat chased the dog. Sentiment analysis is another key step. Computers detect if text is positive, negative, or neutral. For example, "This is an amazing product" is positive, while "terrible service" is negative. Companies use this to understand customer opinions. These building blocks let computers analyze, understand, and even respond to human language. It's like giving computers a basic toolkit for language. Without these steps, NLP wouldn't work. That's the foundation of NLP. How does NLP get so good? The answer is machine learning, or ML. Instead of following strict rules, computers learn from massive data sets, millions of real-world texts. The model finds patterns and relationships, like knowing queen often appears with king or royal. Supervised learning uses labeled data, like teaching a model to spot positive or negative sentences. After training, the model can predict the sentiment of new sentences or flag spam emails. Unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data, grouping similar topics together. These techniques let NLP systems improve as they process more data. The more they learn, the better they understand language. It's not magic, it's data-driven science. Machine learning is the engine behind modern NLP. That's how computers keep up with our ever-changing language. You use NLP every day, often without realizing it. Smart assistants like Siri and Alexa use NLP to understand your questions and respond. Search engines use NLP to interpret your intent, not just match keywords. Email spam filters rely on NLP to keep junk out of your inbox. Some email services even sort your messages automatically, using NLP. Translation apps like Google Translate use NLP to convert sentences between languages, not just word for word. NLP makes these translations sound natural and accurate. It's the technology behind chatbots, voice-to-text, and more. NLP is everywhere, making technology smarter and more helpful. It's breaking down communication barriers worldwide. That's the power of NLP in your daily life. NLP is transforming major industries, not just our daily routines. In healthcare, NLP scans doctors' notes and research to help diagnose and find new treatments faster. Finance uses NLP for sentiment analysis on news and social media, guiding investment decisions and detecting fraud. Banks analyze loan applications and spot suspicious activity with NLP. In customer service, chatbots answer questions and route you to the right department. NLP analyzes conversations to improve service and customer satisfaction. Legal and insurance industries use NLP to scan thousands of documents in minutes, speeding up claims and legal discovery. It automates tedious tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Any industry with lots of text benefits from NLP. It's a powerful tool for making sense of information. NLP is changing how entire industries operate. NLP is becoming essential as we generate more text and voice data every day. It unlocks insights from emails, reviews, and conversations, making technology more intuitive. Future innovations include real-time translation, personalized education, and mental health tools powered by NLP. NLP makes technology accessible. Voice commands help people with disabilities and those less tech-savvy. It democratizes technology, letting us interact naturally. The goal is seamless, intelligent partnership between humans and machines. NLP moves us beyond rigid commands to true understanding. It's at the heart of finding information, connecting people, and solving big challenges. Next time your phone understands you, remember the science behind it? NLP is the secret language of AI, speaking to you every day,